Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to check out the new clean and vegan formula of Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. And if you guys haven't noticed, Kylie Cosmetics rebranded. Now they're rebranding to a clean, vegan, cruelty-free brand. They were already cruelty-free, and most of their products, from what I know, and most of their lip kits, I think all of her lip kits were vegan. So I did purchase one of the lip kits, and I'm going to be comparing the old Kylie Shade lip kit to the new Kylie Shade lip kit and just show you guys swatches and let you guys know what I think about the new formula. Yeah, I was just very curious what the new rebrand is all about. All right, so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do cruelty-free videos, hauls, lifestyle videos here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I upload every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. As you guys can see, it comes in a pink box. I actually ordered the lip kit right when the new rebrand launched. So it's been probably around 2 weeks, and I barely got the package. So it did take a little while for me to get the package compared to other times that I've ordered from her website. So the inside is all pink. I think she wanted to rebrand and do everything pink. And right here it says Kylie. You can probably barely see the letters because they're in white. So it says Kylie Jenner. Even the bubble wrap is pink. However, I don't like that they're using bubble wrap. I mean, by now they should be using paper packaging for everything, especially what's on the inside, and no longer use bubble wrap because it's plastic, and they can definitely easily use other types of packaging that is more environmentally friendly. And we know that Kylie can definitely do that because I know KKW did that already and Skims. So if her sister can do it, I know Kylie can do it. So I don't understand the bubble wrap. I know I'm being nitpicky, but come on now, it's already 2021. All right, so this is the lip kit, and it looks really nice. I really do like the new packaging. It's really pretty. I like pink. As you guys can tell, I'm wearing pink right now. It's not my favorite color, but I do like it. A baby pink right here, and then on the sides is like a darker, more mauvey pink. I'm thinking the outer edges are supposed to match the actual lip kit color. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. If you go to the ULTA website, which you can already order from the ULTA website, and she has 23 shades on the ULTA website for the matte lip kits. I want to say that there's more shades now, because back then I felt like she didn't have that many matte lip kit shades on the ULTA website. That's really good. So the lip kits are $29, and it comes with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. So I do feel like that's a pretty good price for a lipstick and a lip liner. However, I have found that there are more affordable matte liquid lipsticks that are vegan, cruelty free. So, you know, this is a little bit more pricey, but now supposedly these are a clean formula. Whenever we say clean, it doesn't necessarily mean that the ingredients are all natural. That's not what it really actually means. I think what it actually means is that they're just not formulated with certain toxic ingredients that are known to cause illnesses, or there's studies about them. But obviously there are still ingredients in makeup that are not regulated by the FDA. A lot of products that claim that they're clean, but they're really not. So you have to really look at the ingredients list to make sure you're not allergic or sensitive to any ingredient in makeup. They do list the ingredients list here on the box, so that's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, that is so cute. So the inside of the box has little lips that look like this one right here. So that's a cute little touch that they did on the packaging. I like that. So this is the liquid lipstick and the lip liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the old packaging. So this is how it looks. It used to be black. Also, the lettering is different. The lettering on the new packaging just looks more modern, more sleek, more uniform than the old packaging. packaging. I do feel like the old packaging, now looking at it, comparing to the new one, it doesn't look as nice as the new packaging and the lettering. So I kind of do get why she wanted to rebrand and change all of the packaging, because this is better. It just looks nicer and it does go more with her brand. I feel like the glow up. So the lip liners are all baby pink, and then it has the shade of the lip liner on the end of the lip liner, so that's really good. She did have the same thing before, and the lip liners used to be black and now they're baby pink. I just noticed this right now, but on top of the shade it says 808. So I'm not necessarily sure what that means. I'm wondering if she has numbering now on all of her lip kits along with the names. So it is also on the lip liner. You can see that it says 808 and then the shade name, which is Kylie. And on the old packaging, there's no numbers on there. It just says the shade name. Very different packaging. Okay, so on the lip liner, I'm looking at it right now. It says contents made in Italy. And on the old packaging, it says that it's made in the USA. Another thing too that I noticed though is that the ends of the lip liners don't exactly match. So I'm wondering if the shades are different. I will swatch right now in a little bit. The new liquid lipstick says made in the USA. So it looks like her lip liners are made in Italy and then the liquid lipsticks are made in the USA. The old liquid lipsticks were also made in the USA. So I'm actually wondering like if they're the exact same formula or they just removed a couple of ingredients but they're still using the same lab for the liquid lipsticks. The caps right here are kind of like a matte finish. So I feel like the caps are gonna get dirty very easily compared to the caps that they had before, which were black. Oh well, that's makeup, it gets dirty. Let me go ahead and just smell it real quick. Yeah, it smells very, very similar to the old formula, and I'll show you guys the difference on the wands because I do see a difference on the wands. So on the old formula, the wands are shorter, and then on the new one, the applicator is a little longer, and then it has a little dip in the middle where it grabs the product. So those are little changes that they have made, and I like that. I like these type of applicators that have the little dip. So I like that it's still like a skinny applicator. Whoa. Yeah. Really, really, really pigmented. Swatching it on my hand, it feels very, very smooth, silky, very lightweight. I'm going to swatch the old one right next to it. I'm going to swatch the new lip liner. The tip of the lip liners are also different from the new and the old. So on the new, it seems like it has like that new type of lip liner packaging. You know, the old one is more of like wooden, and yeah, you can definitely see a difference. I'm also noticing on the ounces, like how much you get per each of the products, and it looks like on the old lip liners you got 0.1 grams less, so you do get a little bit more on the new formula. And then on the liquid lipsticks, it looks like they're pretty much the same size, but there's a little bit of a difference from the bottom compared to the old. So on the old formula, it is 0.11 ounces, and then on the new formula, you get 0.10 fluid ounces. You basically get less liquid lipstick than the old packaging. So what the hell, man? She should have kept the same amount at least, or gave a little bit more on the new formula. I'm gonna swatch the new lip liner now and the old lip liner. Okay, it does feel very, very smooth and creamy. Make it a little thick just so you guys can really see it. The old formula, I mean, I've been having this one for a while, so it's gonna feel a little bit more dry. I would say that they're very, very similar. I can see a little bit of a difference. I feel like on the new liquid lipstick, it looks a little darker, and then it looks a little bit more sheer than the old formula. The old formula looks very pigmented. You cannot see through to my hand and my skin. The old formula looks like it's a little bit more pink. On the new formula, it looks like it's a little bit more warm. The old formula just looks a little bit more cool tone. On the lip liners, I would say it's like the opposite. On the new formula, it looks like it's more cool tone, and then on the old formula, it looks like it's more of a warmer tone brown. All right, so I'm swatching the new lip kit on the lips just so you guys can see how it looks on, and then I'll let you guys know what I think. I did apply a little bit of a lip oil because my lips are very, very dry, and this is a matte formula. So I like to apply a lip balm or lip oil underneath, just like a very light layer, just so that my lips don't feel super dry. So this is the lip liner. I really, really like this lip liner. That's what I really like about this lip liner. You can use it with other lipsticks. So I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. And I definitely overlined a lot on my top lip, but we're just gonna go with it. I don't normally overline this much anymore. Sometimes, you know, I want to make things even, so I do overline. But I didn't want to overline this much today. So you want to tap very lightly. You don't want to rub or anything like that because then it's gonna come off. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick now. It is definitely more sheer than the old formula, and it feels very, 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 very lightweight. Kind of like if I'm not even applying anything on my lips, but I can see the pigment. And then just blend out with my finger. My lips kind of stick together when I put them together when it's drying down, because the formula is pretty hydrating. Even though I can already see that it's matte, I feel like the formula, it just feels more flexible, and it does feel more hydrating than her old lip kits that I've tried out. The old ones definitely felt a little bit more drying than this formula. These are transfer proof, they don't budge. The lip liners are pretty transfer proof as well. Online it says that the liquid lipsticks have an 8-hour wear time. The lip liners have like a 24-hour wear time. I'm gonna just blend in the lip liner a little bit more. Alright guys, so this is how the new clean Kylie shade lip kit looks, and it looks really good. It looks like the old lip kit. Minor differences, but it basically looks pretty much identical. However, the liquid lipstick is a tad bit sheer, so you might have to apply a little bit more of it to get a little bit more color payoff on it. The formula feels very, very comfortable. It is definitely flexible, as you guys can see. Like when I put my lips together, it stays a little tacky, not sticky, because when it gets sticky, then the lipstick starts crumbling and like messing up. When I kiss the back of my hand, it does not transfer. I just saw a little bit of the lip liner transfer. I am actually very impressed with the new formula. I think it's a really, really good for a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free brand. I hope the video was helpful to you guys, and it covered a lot of the differences from the old matte lip kit to the new matte lip kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and then this is definitely gonna get more brands to follow in like the same footsteps to have more cleaner and vegan, cruelty-free makeup products, beauty products. So I'm excited about that. Even though we still have a long way to go, I think we are still going in the right direction. All right guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to help this video go out to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.